Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. I'm trying to find a way to get rid of pet hair off of linens. I have another video on this I'll link, and you guys kept asking me to try more things, so here we go. I guess a good way to get rid of the pet hair and stuff off of your sheets and stuff, like you can see mine's just peppered. This is how my entire sheet looks, is to go ahead and throw these in the dryer. I also have my comforter in here as well. I'm putting mine on an air fluff cycle for 10 minutes. And air fluffing just means no heat. So you could put this on extra low heat, kind of whatever your dryer has. And we're going to let this go. This is supposed to relax the fabrics and kind of release all that pet hair. And then the pet hair is going to get trapped in the little thing there that collects all of the debris and stuff. The lint catcher, I guess. Alright, sheet is back on the bed. As you can see, there's definitely still a lot of dog hair on here. I think that putting it through the dryer definitely helped. Just not as well as I really would have liked it to. I'm going to keep trying to find other things though, other products and stuff that might help. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I will see you guys in another video.